Today we are in Pest Pool Supplies workshop with a technician looking at Dolphin SP100 and seeing opportunities to resuscitate you. Let's have a look.
For this job, we need Maytronics analyzer tool, Maytronics cable and control box testing pen, and a special key to remove cable from the cleaner body. Let's hook up the cleaner cable to analyzer and pull data to computer.
Once the information has transferred across, we can see that the motor has failed. Also, we can see other relevant information like the cleaner has done 724 cleaning cycles. It has worked 1328 hours and the control box has worked 1464 hours.
Next, we will test the cable. For this, we need to open up the cleaner, loosen the cable from the robot with the tool we mentioned earlier, and remove it. We connect the cable to test pen and see that the light turns green, indicating that the cable works okay. On visual examination, we can see that the cable is a bit worn out. The rubber peels off, which indicates that the cleaner has been left in a pool with high chlorine levels. With the test pen, we can also check that the control box and its terminals are working fine. Quick observation of the impeller. Often customers bring their cleaners to repair and all that was wrong is a debris blocking the impeller. The tracks look like they have seen better days. They are a bit worn out and should be replaced, but scrubbers still look in a good nick. Now we have completed our assessment and found out that the cleaner needs a new motor block and tracks. We'll go find the correct replacement parts from the manufacturer portal. We found the correct motor block for the cleaner. Now it's time to get it replaced. Once we replace the motor block, we reconnect the cable and put the robot back together. We also change the old worn out tracks. Before sending it back to the customer, we run one complete cycle in our test tank to make sure everything works as expected. After 1.5 hours, the cleaning cycle is finished with no issues. It's time to send the cleaner back to its home pool. Knowing the transport companies, it is essential to pack the unit securely. And hand it over to our warehouse manager to send the cleaner back to its family.